is a continuation video on the chapter linear regression. So you see, out of the following two regression line, find the line of regression x on y. Okay, now which one is x on y and which one is y on x? Two equations are given in the question. So first of all, we will find it bxy and byx. Okay, so two equations are given. Now you see, in my previous class I have told you that first we have to see the coefficient of x and y. So in this equation, what is the coefficient of x? Is 3, coefficient of y is 12. Okay, that means coefficient of y is greater than coefficient of x. Here, so what we have seen here, coefficient of y is greater than coefficient of x in this equation, right? Here what we have seen, coefficient of x is greater than coefficient of y. So if coefficient of y is greater than coefficient of x, then this is an equation of y on x. If the coefficient of x is greater than coefficient of y, so this is an equation of x on y. Okay, let's see how we get bxy and byx. So here coefficient is bigger, so we will keep this one as it is. This one will take to other side, that is minus 3x plus 9, or y equals to minus 3 by 12 x plus 9 by 12. So this 12 I have divided by both the terms, right? So 3 1 are 3 4 are, so 1 by 4 x, and here you will get 3 by 4. Okay, so y on x, so this is what byx. Okay, that means coefficient of regression is minus 1 by 4. And here what we got, that is coefficient of x is greater than coefficient of y, that means 9x. I will keep it as it is. This one I will take to that side, minus 3y plus 46, right? Or x can be written as minus 3 by 9y plus 46 divided by 9. Or this can be written as x equals to minus 1 by 3y plus 46 by 9. Okay, we will cancel 3 1 3, 3 3 9. So this is x on y. So this is what our bxy. Now we will check whether our this answer is wrong or right. Okay, so we have to calculate coefficient of correlation, that is R we have to calculate, that is root under bxy and byx. So what is bxy? Is minus 1 by 3 and byx is minus 1 by 4. Minus and minus will cancel. So what we will get here? By 1 by 12, or this can be written as root under 12. So when you calculate this one, 1 by root under 12 will get 0.28. That means the value of r is less than 1, right? So our assumption is correct. But make sure, if in the question if it is asked find r also, so your r will be minus. Okay, so whatever answer you get here, you will put here one more minus, that is minus will be outside. Now question is y minus is the outside. Here you see this is the slope. Minus 1 by 4 is the slope of this equation. Minus 1 by 3 is the slope of x on y equation. So if their slopes are negative in both the lines, so therefore the resultant will also be in minus. Okay, so what was the question? Out of the following two regression line, find the line of regression of x on y. So which one is x on y? So x on y is x on y, that means bxy, from where we got bxy, that equation is our x on y. So therefore 9x plus 3y equals to 46 is regression line x on y. So this is our answer. So for the lines of regression, so these two lines are given again. We need to find byx and bxy. That means coefficient of regression line. So here you see two equations. Again we will check the coefficient of x and y. Coefficient of x is greater, here you see 4. 4 is greater than 2. Here coefficient of y is greater than x. So let us consider this equation first. So this equation can be written as 2y plus 3, right? 2y and taken to other side. So x can be written as 2 by 4, y plus 3 by 4, or 1 by 2y plus 3 by 4 x. So this is a regression line x on y, right? So this is a slope x equals to my plus c. So m, in place of m what we have, half. That means bxy is half. Similarly we will find for this equation. Now in this equation coefficient of y is 3 here, so this is greater, right? So 2x minus 5 equals to 3y. This equation can be written as like this, or 3y equals to 2x minus 5. Okay, so y equals to 2 by 3 into x minus 5 by 3. So y on x, so this is an equation y on x. So byx is our 2 by 3. Okay, so this is our first answer, byx and bxy we got here. Now we need to find rho xy, that is, this is small r. Okay, r and rho is meaning is same here. So what is rho here? Rho equals to root under bxy into byx. So bxy is our half and byx is 2 by 3. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 3. So this is our answer. You can find it in point also, in decimal also, or keep your answer up to here, right? Next we have to calculate y when x equals to 3. So y value we have to find and x value is given. So this value of x we have to substitute in y on x equation. Which one is y on x? This is our y on x equation, right? In this equation we will substitute in place of x3. So y we have to find when x equals to 3. So y equals to 2 by 3 into 3 minus 5 by 3. Okay, so if you take here 6 by 3 minus 5 by 3, or if you take LCM is 3, 6 minus 5, 1. So 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay, I have not cancelled here 3, but I have multiplied here and taken numerator same. So this is our required answer. This was question number 6, right? Two regression lines are given, that is, two equations are given. We need to find mean of x, mean of y, byx, bxy, and coefficient of correlation. Okay, that means r smaller and rho is meaning is same. So first we will calculate mean of x and y. So to calculate mean of x and y, remember we have to solve these two equations and get the value of x and y first. So what is the LCM of 3 and 9? That is 9. So we multiply by 3, here we multiply by 1. So here you will get 3x, that is 9x, 3 into 3, 9x, plus 36, y equals to 57 here, and here 9x plus 3y equals to 46, right? Sign will get changed, we will change the sign here. So 9x will get cancelled. So 36 minus 3, that is 33y, or here you will get 11, right? So y will be 11 by 33 or 1 by 3. You got the value of y. Now this y value we will substitute in any of the equation. That is 9x plus 36 into 1 by 3 equals to 57, or 3 12s, that means 9x equals to 57 minus 12. Here we will get 5, 45, right? And here we have 9x. So 9 5s, 45. So therefore x value we are getting here 5. So whatever value we got for y, that is our y mean, and whatever value we got for x, that is our x mean. Okay, that is x bar. X bar is 5 and y bar is 1 by 3. Okay, so first answer we got 1 by 3 and 5. Okay, now next we will find for byx and bxy. So for finding for bxy and byx, byx and bxy, 3x plus 12y equals to 19. So here coefficient of y is bigger, so we will keep this one as it is and take 3x to other side. Same way how we have solved the other question. So here you will get 1 by 4x plus 19 by 12, right? So what is our byx? Our byx is minus 1 by 4. Okay. Next we will find for bxy. Bxy means here coefficient of x is greater than y here. So we will keep here 9x and this one we will take to other side. Or x equals to minus 3 by 9 y plus 46 by 9 or minus 1 by 3 y plus 46 by 9. So what is our bxy? This is our x and y equation. So from x and y equation we will get bxy. Bxy is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 3, right? Next, point number 3, we have to find rho of x and y, that means coefficient of correlation, or r, what is the formula? Bxy into byx. Bxy, that is root under bxy, we got minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 4, right? So minus 1 by 3 minus minus plus, that means root under 1 by 12. But make sure both the coefficients are in negative. So answer will be in negative. Okay. So minus, now when you will find this one 0.28. So like for the previous question just now we have solved, there also we got root under 12. So 3.46, 1 divided by 3.46 when you do, that is minus 0.28. So this is our required answer. So one thing you note, in the calculator we have got here 0.28901, right, or 9 up to 9. Now if you round off, you can keep your answer up to here, or this is also correct, minus 0.29, okay. If 4x minus 5y plus 33 equals to 0 and 20x minus 9y minus 107 equals to 0, two equations are given. Find the mean values of x and y. We have to find the mean value of x and y from these two equations. We have to find the coefficient of correlation, as well as we have to get the value of sigma y, that means standard deviation of y, value of y for x equals to 3. Okay, these three we have to put in that equation, that is y on x. Okay, similarly next here we have to find the value of x for y equals to 2. So you see two equations are given. So these two equations, 4x minus 5y can be written as minus 33, and here this equation can be written as 20x minus 9y, 107 I have taken to that side. So this one we will solve simultaneous equation, okay, by elimination method. By elimination method we will get the value of x and y. See, I have got the value of y as 17. So if y is 17, that means y bar is 17. Okay, the mean of y is 17, and this 17 I have substituted in any of the equation. So in this equation, first equation I substituted and I got a value of x, that is 13. That means x bar is 13. So like this, if two equations are given, you will solve by elimination method and get the value of x and y. Whatever value you are getting for x and y, that is the mean value of x and y, right? So next you see what you have. We have to get the value of bxy and byx. Bxy and byx. For getting a value of bxy and byx, so two equations again I have noted down as it is. Now I will check here whose coefficient is bigger. Coefficient of y is bigger here. So I have written here 4x plus 33 by equals to 5y. Then 5y I have taken to other side. Or y equals to divided by 5. So 4 by 5 x plus 33 by 5. So byx is our 4 by 5. Similarly here in this equation coefficient of x was bigger, so I have taken two terms to other side and we got the value of bxy. So this is our second answer. Third answer, we have to get the value of small r equals to root under bxy into byx. So after getting byx and bxy, we need to get the value of r, that is root under bxy into byx. Substitute the value of bxy and byx, that is 9 by 20 into 4 by 5. Now here we can cancel it out. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20 in the denominator. So we'll get 9 by 25. So 9 is a perfect square. If we'll get a square root, we'll get there 3. and 25 is 5. So 3 by 5 is the value of r. Next, point number 4. Sigma y, that means the standard value of y we have to get when variance is given 9. So sigma y we have to find where variance means here sigma x whole square. Okay, so standard deviation square equals to variance. So standard deviation, that means sigma x square equals to 9, that means sigma x equals to root under 9, that is 3. Okay, we got standard value of x now. So you see, after getting sigma x, we'll substitute in this formula byx equals to r sigma y by sigma x. This is the formula, right? So in the first class I have given this formula. You can use this formula also. Bxy equals to r, here right hand side is y, so down will be sigma y, up will be sigma x. Okay, so in any of the equation you will substitute, you will get the value of sigma y. Okay, so for example I am substituting in this equation. Okay, so when I substitute byx, how much is byx here? You see, byx is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. R value we got 3 by 5. Sigma y we have to find, and sigma x is how much it is? 3. Okay, so 3 and 3 got cancelled, and if you cross multiply, 5 and 5 will also get cancelled. So sigma y you will get 4. So this is our required answer. Okay, it is not mandatory you have to use this formula only. You can use this formula also, bxy. So then what will be the formula? R, right hand side is y, so sigma y, sigma x. Now we can substitute, we will get the same answer. Bxy is 9 by 20. This is 3 by 5. R value is 3 by 5 into sigma x is 3, and here sigma y we have to find. So 3 3s are 9. 9 and 9 will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. If we cross multiply, then again we will get sigma y as 4 only. Okay. So you can use this equation or this equation for getting the value of standard value of x or standard value of y. Okay. So next we have to find value of y for x equals to 3. So we have to get the value of y by substituting the value of x. So we have to substitute the value of x in y on x equation. So this is y on x equation. 4 by 5 x plus 33 by 5. So 4 by 5 in place of x, what will substitute? 3 plus 33 by 5. Here you will get 12 by 5 plus 33 by 5, that is 45 by 5, that is 9. Okay, so this is point number 5 answer. Point number 6 will be x we have to find and y is given 2. So this value of y will substitute in y, x on y equation, x on y equation. That means 9 by 20 into y, in place of y will put 2 plus 107 by 20. That is 18 by 20 plus 107 by 20. LCM is 20. Now we add this one, 15. That means 125 here, right? You can keep your answer into point, or you can keep your answer into fraction. Okay, so 525 jar 5 4 jar. Okay, or you divide and get the answer in point. So these are what required answers. We have got mean values of x and y by elimination method, bxy and byx by determining its coefficient of x and y. Okay, r, as soon as you get byx and bxy, it will be easy for you to get the value of r, that is root under bxy into byx. Sigma y, when variance is given 9, variance of x. Variance means sigma x square. That means standard deviation of x square is 9. So standard deviation will be 3. So after that you will use this equation. Byx equals to r, right hand side is x, so down will be sigma x and up will be sigma y. Substitute the value of byx, r and sigma y, you will get the value of sigma x if you need to find. Or if it is asked find sigma y, then put the 3 values. Okay, and value of y for x equals to 3 means put in the equation of y on x value, and similarly x on y that is on x and y equation we will put the value of y. Okay, so see this question and try to do for the other questions, right? All the questions more or less they are similar.